Want to make an AI generated talking avatar videos? So today we show you a free tool that creates realistic talking characters in seconds. Okay, let's start this video. Hi guys, first of all you have to open browser. You have to click on any profile and now you have to search here DID tool. Now you show the first thing, you have to click on this, you have to open. Now you have to get start or login. If you are okay, I start get start free. Now the tool is opening. Now you see the tool is opening. You just have to click on create a video. First option. Now here there are many premium characters, but I am using free characters. Wait. I am using 3 characters. I will use this character. Now I can use the script. Here I wrote hello. Subscribe and support my channel for more tech video. And now I click on. It's taking login. You have to confirm login first to save your video. It's again open. Here write script and you can click on play button. It will be created avatar talking video.
Hello, my name is Furkan. Subscribe and support my channel for more tech videos.
When you save the video, it will be shown animation on this character. He will speak talking like with moving lips. Okay. You can use this in your YouTube, social media or presentation. These avatars are amazing and free to make using this AI tool. Now I am previewing the video again. Wait, my internet is slow.
Hello, my name is Furkan. Subscribe and support my channel for more tech videos.
In this way you can generate easy video using this tool. Thanks for watching.